AI tools are everywhere in 2025, but not all of them are worth your time, and most come with a price tag. In this video, we're going over 10 of the best AI tools that are actually free and genuinely useful. Whether you're a student, creator, entrepreneur, or just curious, these tools can save you time, boost productivity, and unlock serious potential. Let's get into it. 1. ChatGPT. Still one of the best. Even the free version is powerful for writing, brainstorming, coding, and answering questions. It's like having a virtual assistant available 24/7. 2. Perplexity AI, a free AI-powered search engine that actually gives you sources. Great for research, summaries, and up-to-date answers. Something even free ChatGPT doesn't do. 3. Canva Magic Studio. Canva's AI tools let you generate text, images, videos, and even full presentations. Magic Write, Magic Edit, and Magic Design are surprisingly good, and many features are free. 4. Leonardo AI. If you're into AI image generation, this one's a top pick. It gives you creative control and cleaner results than many other free tools. Great for game devs, artists, and marketers. 5. Grammarly. It's not just a spell checker anymore. Grammarly's free AI writing assistant now rewrites sentences, shortens or expands content, and adapts tone, all with one click. 6. Notion AI. If you use Notion, their AI assistant can help you summarize notes, auto-write pages, and even generate action items. Some features are limited, but still great value at zero cost. Number 7. Descript free tier. Perfect for editing podcasts or videos. You can remove filler words, edit by text, and even clone your voice with AI. The free plan gives you enough to get started with ease. 8. PO by Quora, a sleek platform where you can chat with multiple AI bots, including Claude, GPT-4, and even custom bots created by others. Free accounts get limited messages, but it's a nice sandbox. 9. ElevenLabs. You can generate lifelike voices using ElevenLabs free tier. Great for creators, YouTubers, or anyone experimenting with AI narration. 10. Ideogram AI, one of the best free tools for AI-generated text inside images, meaning you can make logos, signs, or custom visuals with accurate lettering. A must-try for designers. Final thoughts. You don't need to spend a fortune to start using AI. These tools can help you write better, design faster, research smarter, and create content like a pro, even if you're just getting started. Which of these tools are you already using? Drop a comment below and let us know what should be on the next list. And don't forget to subscribe for more AI news, tech explainers, and smart tools, right here on TechPulse TV.